It's a jungle really. That's next to our chicken coop. Now is the best time to clean because there's no electricity yet. So it is now clean here. But I still need to haul this wood here. But I stopped hauling today because my hands is so sore and I can't hold anymore on the bag. So I just take my time here. At least we slowly clean here. We just take our time. There's no big rush. So here too, we still need to clean. So after Odette, sometimes you have heavy rain here, and then you know the soil here is healthy soil. So all kinds of bushes, plants, all kinds of seeds, all kinds of, especially this one, climber. It's so fast to grow and it's hard to pull. So this is our problem here. That is why we are cleaning the area here, because it is really, and it will grow big too. It will climb anywhere and very easy to grow. And by the way guys, to those who comments on Philip birthday, thank you so much for the greetings, everyone. God bless you and thanks for your time watching that video. And I was so we are so glad because Dako nila no? Dako. Nabang sa gobyerno si qualified tarp. Thanks for the government. Kaya kumulan. Yun ang Philip Ortiz. Okay, temporary. Now it's time to cut the grass. Philip cutting the grass. I'm gonna give him some water.